Alright everyone, I made it to the clubhouse. Here is my hot chocolate. Oh yeah, I got the jacket on. Oh, that's nice and hot. Perfect. Oh, let's take a look outside. Windy today. They got the fans on, even though it's windy out here today, but that's all right. Wow, look at that. Ooh, a loud noise. Anyways, enjoying the nice day out here. Got this all to myself because no one wants to come out here in the cold. I'm okay with that. Let's take a look at that hot chocolate one more time. Oh yeah. Hello everybody, welcome back. Ooh, it is cold, but it's warmer. It's warmer. I think it's in the upper 40s, lower 50s now. So while I was out here, I was having my hot chocolate. I did wear the jacket. I pulled it out of the pannier bag over here and put my jacket on here. The frog togs are working great. Oh, putting on some gloves. My hands are getting cold now. All right, time for me to get out of here. Charge the battery. Downloaded some footage off the Insta360 One X. All right, let's get on. Oh. Okay. All right. Ooh, feeling the cold wind here. All right, so I got one bar missing so far. Still wearing the buff. Wearing the black helps because when you get out of the wind, that sun kind of warms you up real good. All right, so this is comfortable right now for me right here. All right, I'm gonna go pedal assist 5, gear 7, and I'm headed straight home. I'm headed straight home. Took too much time going off-roading. I don't have enough battery life in these cameras, unfortunately. So I'm just gonna ride home. There's a lot of wind, and oh, it's getting cold. All right, that's good enough. The Balaclava and the buff helps a lot. It really does. My arms are getting cold now, but at least my chest is okay. Let me put this up here so the wind doesn't go on my neck. Not too bad. It feels pretty good. I'm hoping the Insta360 One is doing a good job, or the Insta360 One X. Oh, it's Taco, the Taco van. Oh man, I'm getting hungry myself. I think I'm gonna take the roads. Take the road. Oh god, a lot of headwind. Anyways, I'm gonna head straight home. Spend a lot of time outside. Woo! The wind's pushing me around. Oh my god, I'm down. I only have 2 bars of battery left now. The cold really affects the batteries. I had 4 bars, now I have 2 bars. Just like that. So the cold. Oh, and I got headwind. Oh, headwind. Oh my god. I can feel it blowing me. Oh. So, yeah, I got 2 bars. I think I'll make it. I have to pedal if I want to make it home with some battery power. If I don't, It's gonna be a very well. I'm gonna have a good workout this morning. All right. Wind's picking up a little bit, or it was. Trying to pick up some speed here. I'm pushing 740 watts, 750 watts, 720 watts. Getting a lot of wind resistance here. I can tell off-roading really zapped a lot of power. I did throttle a lot. For the most part, ghost pedaled, or I didn't put a lot of effort into pedaling. Oh, it's yellow light. I don't know. I'm not going to make it, but I'm going to take the sidewalk anyway. Alright, scratch that. I just blew past the red light. Yeah. Oh, I got headwind like crazy right now. Wow. I'm just taking the streets because I don't see a lot of cars, but I'm going to go on the sidewalk here. Alright. I know I probably shouldn't have done all these things, but not setting a good example, or maybe I am, but I'm trying to get home safely. Woo. Throttle is 5, gear 7. That headwind, wow. That headwind was killing me. My legs are starting to burn. Oh, look, the train. We caught the train today. Caught the train today, everybody. All right. All right, I'm going downhill now. All right. Still got headwind at me. Whew. I'm not gonna the little cat jumping. I'm not gonna jump that because, well, I just feel like everything's kind of wet. You're not sure what's going on. It rained a lot last night. The bike's already muddy. The water hazard. Fingertips are tingling a little bit, so I'm getting warm. It has warmed up. It should be in the 50s now compared to the lower 40s this morning. Maybe for some people this is a nice spring weather, but for me this is pretty cold. because a couple days ago it was like almost 90 degrees. Alright, still got 2 bars left. 3 bars are missing. When I started, I literally had 4 bars. Down a bar already. We'll see if I can make it home. I think in the winter time, or during cold weather, when I stop by the clubhouse, I have a charger with me. I should go ahead and just charge the battery. It probably needs a boost in colder weather. I had fun though, that's for sure. Breathing, so forgive me for not talking. See what kind of traffic we got. Alright, it's a clear. Ugh. I had 3 bars, now I got 2 bars again. Anyways. Windy. Wow, a lot of wind. Probably not going too fast, but anyways, oh well. At least I'm outside riding a bike, having a good time. I'm starting to warm up now. My fingers are getting warm, my toes are getting warm. Feels good. And I'm not sweating. That's the awesome part about this. Whoa! I just had a bunch of leaves hit my face. Good thing I got the buff on and some sunglasses. Really enjoying the first day where it's really getting cold here. As expected to hit the 30s a couple more days here. So look forward to more, hopefully more morning rides where I get to, whoa, like I was a little close. I don't know what the point of getting all close to me. Anyways, hopefully more rides in the morning, more adventure, more off-roads. The neoprene boots really helped. The Frog Talk pants, very helpful as well. It's not like I'm in really hazardous conditions. I mean, it may be cold, but it's not snowing, thank goodness, and the sun's out. So if I really got in it cold, all I have to do is go someplace where there's no wind and it's in the sun. Just kind of sunbathe a little bit, it'll warm up. Wear some black clothing. You'll get warmed up real quick. Alright, still got 2 bars. 2 bars of battery. I'll take the shortcut home. I'll cut through the fields. We'll see if that 2 bars of battery. Oh, 1 bar. I got 1 bar battery now. I just got a sudden gust of headwind on me now. Woo. Down 1 bar. Cold weather makes a difference on your battery. I guess from this point on, I'm going to start charging at the clubhouse. I'm almost there. A little bit longer. Oh, a lot of headwind. And I am pedaling. I am helping. Alright, pedal assist 5, gear 7. 4 bars missing. 1 bar remaining on a cold day. Started out in the 30s, or upper 30s. I think right now it's the upper 40s, the low 50s. Alright, here's my exit. I'm going to gear down, pedal assist down. I'm going to pedal just because I don't know. Okay, I got 2 bars now. Oop. Let's go pedal assist 5. Now I'm down to 1 bar, but I am pedaling. Alright, now I'm going to throttle. Oh. Let's see how it handles the throttle. Alright, I'm still down 1 bar. Throttling right now. Woo. Temperature makes a difference in your battery life. I think that's safe to say. I haven't done any official test on it, but what I've noticed during the winter, your battery life seems to be shorter. Although I did go off-roading, it took me a little bit longer to get to the clubhouse. Who knows? Alright, still 1 bar, hasn't flashed yet. Usually when it gets really low, it starts flashing. This battery is going to be taking a really good charge today. It's going to get fully charged. Oh, I'm starting to sweat just a little bit. I'm sure once I get inside and take all this off, I'll be just fine. Whew. All right, pedal assist down to 3. I'm already in gear 3. Let's do this. Let's do this. All right. All right. Whew. All right, everyone. Whew. Thanks for watching. You guys are the best. Like, share, comment. Bye.